Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer utilities with Xfinity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your utilities with Xfinity, visit the official Xfinity website. On the home page, look for the sign in option and click on it. Enter your Xfinity credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. Within the account menu, find the Move My Service option and select it. You will be prompted to provide your new service address. Fill in the necessary details for your new location. After entering the address, specify your desired move date. Review the available packages and services at your new address. Once you've made your selection, confirmation details will appear on the screen. Make sure to double-check all your selections for accuracy. Next, proceed to the payment section to finalize the transfer. Enter your payment details if necessary and confirm your transaction. You will receive a confirmation email once the transfer is complete. If you encounter any issues, refer to the online help center or contact customer support. Keep the confirmation for your records. Your utilities will be set up at your new address by your chosen move date. Make sure to have your equipment ready on the moving day. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.